now we've just done a minimizing Hungarian algorithm. This time we're going to be doing maximum. So what we have here is our film stars, Chris, Aaron, Matthew, Sarah and Victor, and cities. There's Adelaide, Brisbane, Melbourne, Perth and Sydney. So the numbers represent the people in thousands who will be attending these venues to see these stars. So we're wanting to have maximum numbers, so that's why we're wanting to maximize. Now the very first step to maximizing is finding the very highest value on the screen. So I'm going to do a bit of a scan. I'm going to see here I have 32. Do I have any number higher than 32? It looks like 32 is my highest. So that's my highest number. Now I have to subtract, we obviously have a 32 here as well. We have to subtract all the rest of the numbers from 32. And so I'll get started over here. So 32, take the rest. That's the difference between this step, this maximizing and minimizing. So I'll start at the top there. So 32, take 19. So we're going to have 13. Okay, so up to Matthew now, so 22, 10, and then oops, that's a 4. I'm just not looking properly. 32, 28, and then okay, 7, 8, and then 2. Now up to Sarah, so 7, and then there's 11, and then there's 12. And then there's 6, and then there's 9. Last row, a bit slow at this, so 14, and then we've got 7, 0, and then we've got 5 and 0. Okay, so now what we do is we go to the normal first step of the Hungarian algorithm, which is minusing, finding the lowest number in each row. So 4 is the lowest in row 1, 3 is the lowest in row 2, 2 is the lowest in row 3, 6 is the lowest in the next one, and then we have 0. So then we're going to be, so take 4, take 3, take 2, take 6, and we don't take anything. So this is going back to step 1 now. So now we can go over the smaller numbers. So 13, take 4, so 9, 5, 2, 6 and 0. Then we have 0, 3, 5, 8 and 3. Then we have 8, 2, 5, 6 and 0. 1, 5, 6, 0, 3, and the last row stay the same. Whoops, that's a 0. Okay, so again, this is the same as what we do normally. So what we find is the lowest value in each column. So there's nothing in that one. There's 2, there's nothing, nothing, and nothing. So the only one we're actually changing is this one. So for this reason, I'm going to do a little bit of a cheat here on my iPad. I'm just going to copy that. So copy, paste, and we're only actually changing that one column. I'm just going to line it up with that 2 so we can see there. Whoops, let's not use such a big eraser. Here we go. So we're going to be doing 5, take 2, 3, take 2, 2, take 2, 5, take 2, and 7, take 2. So there we have it. And now we have another 0. And in doing that, we have our final solution. We can already see right there we have our final solution. So I mean, there's no need for even doing our lines at this stage because we can already see, actually, no, there is, because there was a solution, but it's not perfect. So let's do our lines. So here's 3 lines. And then we'll go here. And then we'll go here. And we'll go here. And we'll go here. So that means we do have a final solution. So that's 5 lines because it's 5 by 5 square. That means we do have a final solution. And I'm going to just use green so that we're not going to get caught up. So we do have to use this one, we do have to use this one, and we do have to use this one. It's just for the last, and we do have to use this one, but the last one is this one here. So let's indicate that, what each of them are. So first of all, we've got Adelaide. So Adelaide, we're going to be having Erin with 29. Let's just highlight it over here. Adelaide, Erin, 29. The next one is here. The next one is down the bottom. The next one is here. The next one is there. So that makes it easier. So Erin, and that's 29. Next we have Brisbane. And Brisbane, we can see it's Matthew. And that's 28. We do know this is in the thousands, but we'll just leave it at that. The next one we have Melbourne. Melbourne has Victor. And that's 32. Next we have Perth, and Perth has Sarah, 26. And the last one is Sydney with Chris for 28. Add them up. Again, here we go. I'm just going to quickly go through. We have 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 9 is 25. 26, 27, and then plus 6 more is 33. And then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, plus 6 is 14. So 143,000 people, as I said, it's in the thousands, so 1,000 people will have in total attending all of those events in each of those cities to see all of those actors. And that's the final solution.